Hello everyone, I'm Çınar Kambur and I'm studying Electric and Electronics Engineering at Bilkent University. I'm going to explain my Physics 101 lab project. In this experiment, I'm going to prove network done on an object is equal to that object's change in kinetic energy by observing four different experiments. First one is free fall observation. Second one is two objects colliding observation on air table. Third one is circular motion observation, and the fourth one is making an object going upwards with a force with constant velocity observation. And I'm going to explain and demonstrate these observations subsequently. In this free fall experiment, I calculated the velocity change and the network done by using stopwatch, assay balance, and ruler. When an object makes a free fall, gravitational force will create a work, and this work must be equal to the change in kinetic energy. In this two objects colliding experiment, I calculated velocities of the pucks. Also, I calculated kinetic energy change and network done. I used air table with pucks, ruler, and a stopwatch. When two objects collide in a horizontal direction, interaction will alter the velocities. So the kinetic energy change of the first puck will be negative, but for the second puck, this value will be positive. This situation happens because action and reaction forces are in different ways. So the work done on these objects will have different signs actually. In the circular motion observation, I calculated change in velocity and period for the puck radius of the system by using ruler, stopwatch, air table with pucks, a rope, a pencil, and an adhesive. In a circular motion, there will be a centripetal force which is perpendicular to the velocity of the object. A force must have a component in the direction of velocity to create a work on that object. So there will not be any work created, and because of that the kinetic energy change must be zero. Also, speed of that object will not change. In this making an object going upwards with a force with a constant velocity observation, I calculated gravitational force, distance traveled, and velocity change. The magnitude of the force which I applied to the object will be equal to the magnitude of the gravitational force. Because of that, net force will be zero and the net work done will be zero. Also, kinetic energy change will be zero. The velocity of the object will not change. Consequently, I proved that the net work done on an object is equal to that object's change in kinetic energy by observing four different experiments. Thanks for your attention.